So the last part we need to talk about in completing our discussion of simplifying algebraic expressions today has to do with the distributive property. So we just practiced the distributive property on the last problem that we worked together, but we're going to investigate more about the distributive property here. So I'm going to start with number 3. And you'll notice this time we're distributing a negative number, a negative 4. So I'm taking negative 4 and I'm multiplying it inside the parentheses. So negative 4 times y is negative 4y. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. So my answer is negative 4y minus 12. For number 11, we are distributing a letter this time. We're distributing a variable. So we take the variable, we multiply it inside the parentheses. This is x times y, so that's xy, and x times 4, which is 4x. For number 14, you'll notice that we're distributing the 2 to all 3 terms because we have 3 terms inside the parentheses this time. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative y is negative 2y, and 2 times 8 is 16. For this one, we see we're distributing a fraction. In order to multiply fractions together, we multiply the numerator times the numerator and denominator times the denominator, so we multiply straight across. So if you want to go ahead and put each of these numbers over 1. Now this first step that I'm writing is not necessary. If you don't need to write out this step, you don't have to. All I'm doing is taking the 1/4 and distributing it to the 8x as well as to the negative 4. So again, from here we need to multiply straight across. This is 8x over 4 minus 4 over 4. And from here we see we can simplify. So 8x over 4 is 2x, and we have a minus sign we need to copy down. 4 over 4 is 1, so the final answer is 2x minus 1. So you see I've already put 18 over 1 for this problem. We're distributing 1/6 inside the parentheses this time. You do not have to record this step if you don't need it. I'm just taking the 1/6 and multiplying it by each of the terms inside the parentheses. So from here we're multiplying straight across. This is 1 times 3, which is 3. 6 times 5, which is 30. Don't forget your x. On this side we have 18 over 6. So we see we can simplify our result again. 3 over 30, we can divide the top and the bottom by 3. That gives us 1 over 10x plus we can divide top and the bottom by 6. So we get 1 over 10 times x plus 3 as our final answer. For this problem, we have to do 2 distributions. The first number we distribute is the 9. I take the 9 inside the parentheses until the parentheses stops. So 9 times 2k, 18k. 9 times negative 4, negative 36. Over here, you'll notice that we have a minus and a 2. We want to distribute the negative along with the 2. So we're going to distribute a negative 2 inside the second set of parentheses until we have a closed parenthesis at the end. So this is negative 14k because negative 2 times 7k is negative 14k, and negative 2 times negative 12 is a positive 24. From here, we're looking for like terms. 18k and negative 14k are like terms. And negative 36 and positive 34 are also like terms. Positive 24, excuse me. So we just need to combine this together. 18K minus 14K is 4K. And 36 plus 24, the signs are different, so we need to subtract. Put the bigger number on top. The leftover result is 12. What kind of 12? It's a negative 12 because 36 is the bigger number and 36 is negative.